Hey guys, welcome back to the Hobby Farm Homestead. We're heading out to the barn. We got to rewrap Peanut's leg. She's towards the end of her healing process, but putting a wrap on it so we can get the swelling to go down a little bit. So let's go in the barn and get this wrapped up, and then I'll take you in the garage and show you the new addition to the farm. These guys make a mess, don't they?
Oh, I hate it when
Alrighty. Where's Peanut? Outside. Definitely needs a new wrap on her leg. Okay, we're gonna bring her in and then get the wrap done.
keep it from getting too big.
I mean, the swelling's way lower than what it was before. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
What is that stuff?
This
Yeah.
is iodine, organic sugar, and meat tenderizer.
So it's like we're making a cake, but not really.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like ketchup. All right.
Oh. Okay. Got it.
All right. Well, it looks 10 times better, 20 times better actually. The only reason why, like I said, we're wrapping it now is to keep the swelling down, and that solution that she mixes up with the organic sugar, iodine, and all that stuff, that is just to draw any kind of infection out if there is any. So, all right, let's go in the garage here and show you what I got. All right, guys, finally ended up finding a tractor with enough horsepower and at a reasonable price. This is a 1982 6610 Ford tractor. It's two-wheel drive, and it's got a loader on it. You know, I didn't get the full drive, but that's fine. It's got brand new tires all the way around it. It's rated at 84 horse, and I think around, I don't know, 79 at the PTO, maybe a little less, but that's more than enough to run a hay bind. So, but I got this tractor, I think personally at a good deal. I mean, it's got a lot of hours on it, but for what I'm going to use it for, it's fine. It's got the better motor in it, and it's just all around, it's a nice tractor. I mean, it was well taken care of. I'm not sure exactly what it was used for. I'm wanting to think maybe a broom tractor. I'm not 100% sure, but the hydraulics work great on it. Also on the 3-point, it's got the angle cylinder right here. So if, say you got a box blade or just a standard blade, you can tilt it in, you know, if you're grading a road or something like that. You can, you know, put a crown in the road real easy, like a driveway or something. But as far as, you know, what I was looking for. It's everything but the full drive. I had a lot of guys tell me, you know, you don't really want the full drive in your field. Sometimes it'll tear it up more. So there's probably some truth behind that. The only thing that it didn't come with is a drawbar. Now that's on order. I got the pin with the clevis already. The bar is supposed to be here today. You know, it's a slide in, put the pin in, then you're good to go. So a couple little things I have to do to it. I gotta remount the seat. The seat's kind of mounted at an angle, so it kind of sits you forward and it's not really comfortable. The 2 cylinders on the front end loader leak a little bit, only if there's any pressure. So that tells me that these need to be repacked. There's a guy down the road that does that. It's not a big deal. A couple $100 a cylinder, minus the parts. So, quick connect bucket. So that was an option I was wanting. This is a Co-Tech loader. So it's made in Canada. And, you know, they have all the attachments. So I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, it's manufactured in Canada, and they have bale spears, grapples, you name it, they got it for attachments. So I just got to find a dealer nearby, otherwise I'll have to order it direct and have them ship it here. But yeah, guys, I mean, I kind of gave up for the year and I went to one last auction. Actually, I went to the auction because there was a tractor that I was bidding on at a different auction and a dealer bought it. I just didn't want to go as high as I wanted to. Then I seen it end up at another tractor auction, and I told myself, well, I was just going to go up there and maybe I can get lucky on it. But I ended up, that one went up like $25,000, and that was just way too much. It was a Massey. It was a nicer tractor. It only had 780 hours on it. But, you know, it was still an 82, 84, somewhere around there. I mean, it was an older tractor, just wasn't used. So, you know, I got this tractor for around 13, well, actually a little under that. So I don't think that's too bad of a deal. Everything works on it, it's good. For what I want to use it for, I think it's great. I will have to get a splitter to put on the remote so I can have 2 sets of remotes. Not a big deal. You can get that electronic splitter box for $300. It's real easy to mount up. Just got to wire it into a hot in the ground, and then you can switch them back and forth. So if I put a disc bind on there, you know, up and down cylinder and the side to side cylinder, you have to have 2 sets of remotes to use that. So, but other than that, guys, this is a new addition, and you'll see more of it when we start getting in the fields working it. It's going to do the bulk of the work. So right now, all I have is a hay bind. So it'll work the hay bind this year, and it'll work the baler. The John Deere I'm going to bring in here in a little bit. I'm going to move the baler and clean that bay out, and probably take the loader off of that one and fix it all up, give it a good tune up, and that'll run like the hay rake, just tow the wagons around, whatnot. You know, just the simple stuff that's not too hard on it, because that tractor has 1 million hours on it. It's, you know, it's been in my wife's family for a long time. I mean, a long time. So, you know, it's 1966 John Deere. So we'll keep it around. I'll give it some, you know, TLC, and let's keep it on the farm to do some light work. So hopefully this Ford here will take over the harder work here on the farm. But all right, guys, you know, it's a short video. Just wanted to make it and show you guys the tractor. I'll get some video of it working. I just haven't had a whole lot of time right now. A lot of things are going on, holidays and all that good stuff. So the stuff around the farm is kind of slowed down. But other than that, I'll catch you guys on the next one.